Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to tell you the basic components of the PowerPoint presentation. What is PowerPoint? Microsoft PowerPoint is one of the suites of the Microsoft Office program which helps you to create dynamic presentation by typing the text and inserting pictures, sounds and applying animation effect. In fact, you can bring your words and picture to life with the help of PowerPoint. Who invented PowerPoint? PowerPoint was invented or developed by Robert Gaskins. PowerPoint was originally designed for Apple Macintosh computers. The first version of PowerPoint was named Presenter. What are the benefits of using PowerPoint? What can we do with the PowerPoint? With the help of PowerPoint, it helps us to present our ideas in the form of picture, graphs, text, animation, and audio. It helps us to structure our ideas and information that we want to convey to audience. It's used to make ideas attractive so that it is understood and remembered by others. How can we start PowerPoint presentation? You can start PowerPoint by using the following steps. In Windows 7, you have to click on Start button, then All Programs and PowerPoint. In Windows 10, Start menu, then All Apps, then PowerPoint. What are the vocabulary or what terms are used in PowerPoint presentation? Presentation. What is presentation? The presentation is a collection of individual slides that contains information on a topic. What is slide? An individual screen in the presentation. Object. Anything you place in the PowerPoint slide is called an object, such as clip art, text, drawings. Placeholders. Empty object on a new slide surrounded by dashed line that hold text, images and other objects on slides. Now, what are the components of PowerPoint? The first component in the PowerPoint is title bar. This is called title bar. The title bar displays the name of the presentation on which you are currently working, and the file name also displayed on the title bar. This is called title bar. The next is quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar. This is called quick access toolbar. It contains many tools like save option, undo option, any more another option like open, new. Next is the ribbon. This area is called ribbon. This is just below of the title bar. The ribbon bar contains many tabs like file, home, insert, design, transition and many more. Next, status bar situated bottom of the window. Here you can see the view area. It is located at the right hand bottom of the screen. It contains many buttons like view buttons like normal view. When we click on it, we are working on normal view position. The second button, this button, this is called this button. This is called slide sorter view. We can see here our presentation in one place. We can delete, add or insert new slide. We can delete any slide from there. The third is reading view. We can read our presentation from there. This is reading view. The fourth is R is slide show view. The fourth is slide show view. Click on here. We can view our presentation from there. These are the view buttons. Now come to normal view. This is normal view. back to position.